Hey there! Let me take you on a journey into the world of Python conditionals, a tool as essential to programming as deciding which shirt to wear based on the weather. You might have heard this term tossed around, but let me break it down for you so you can see just how powerful and versatile it really is. Imagine you are building a personal assistant in Python. It needs to remind you to drink water if it detects you haven't had any since the morning. This is where Python conditionals jump in to save the day. They allow our virtual assistant to execute a command based on whether the condition is met or not. In Python, these handy constructs are implemented using if, elif, and else statements. An if statement triggers a code block when a specified condition is true. It's like checking if the glass is empty and then deciding to fill it up. To illustrate, if the glass is empty, then it's time to get that water bottle. In Python, this would look something like this: Python glass underscore is underscore empty is equal to true if glass underscore is underscore empty, print but life isn't black and white. There's always an option otherwise. That's where elif comes in, a portmanteau of else if. Suppose our glass isn't empty, but it's less than a quarter full. Here the elif provides an alternate instruction without making a repeat call for water. Python less underscore than underscore quarter underscore empty is equal to false if glass underscore is underscore empty, print elif less underscore than underscore quarter underscore empty, print, and if none of these conditions are met, we resort to the else statement. So, even if we had some water in our glass, we'd still print, else we might as well take a swig. Python treats the else statement as the catch-all scenario for when none of the preceding conditions hold true. Python glass underscore has underscore water is equal to false if glass underscore is underscore empty, print elif less underscore than underscore quarter underscore empty, print else, print. In Python programming, there are also ways to introduce this logical reasoning at a granular level using logical and comparison operators. The standard set includes notions like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equals to, and equals to. These operators are fundamental building blocks for forming our conditional statements. Let's now bring to real life an example, checking the day of the week. Let's say your personal assistant is helping you to take care of your fitness routine. The goal is reminding to lift weights, jog, or meditate based on the day of the week, that is, Monday through Friday for a strenuous workout, and on weekends for relaxation. Python day underscore of underscore week is equal to Sunday if day underscore of underscore week dot lower in, print else, print. Now let's get into some exercises. For each one, you will write a Python conditional or a block of code to solve them. Remember, keep it simple, stay relatable, and always think about the day-to-day decisions Python conditionals can help you solve. Don't spare the Python spirit, let it be your guide. 1. Write a Python conditional to check if a given number is even or odd. Once you've got a hang of that, use the concept of conditional statements to create a simple temperature checker for a smart thermostat. It should have different settings for different temperature ranges like hot, cold, and comfortable. 2. In the realm of personal finance, the if statement shines by helping us make decisions based on net worth. Write a Python code to recommend investing into real estate if your net worth is above $500,000, stocks if it's between $100,000 and $500,000, and savings if it's below $100,000. 3. Now, imagine navigating a game on a board represented by a two-dimensional grid of strings. Each string could denote different terrains like P for plain, W for water, and M for mountains. Write a Python program using conditionals that helps to navigate the shortest route through these terrains represented by directions like north, east, south, and west. Remember, the best way to learn Python is by doing. Code, experiment, and remember to always have fun along the way. When I'm done unraveling Python's conditionals, make sure to subscribe to me on neeraj.qzz.io and stay tuned with TechLab for more fascinating tech tidbits. Happy coding!